kaukau, hoe hapai, e mua o ke kai. E wahine hoe wā, me kane hoe wā o Molokai. Ka malo, holo holo mai, e kanaka kai. Ka lohi I ke kai e olu olu, ahea mali e.
Puumakani Street. Puumakani.
Where's Robin guys up here?
Oh, I don't know. I don't remember.
Me either. I feel it's like the cul-de-sac, like a dead end on the left.
Somewhere. Oh, I don't even remember. Oh, look. Little millipede. Nahiolea and Makiki Loop. We're on Makiki Loop. I think she was just playing with him, no? Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh, I thought you said my name, dog.
I thought it was an old man clearing his throat.
Hi, doggy. Sorry. Yep. Pualaa place, and then we're still on Hulumanu Street. Hulumanu Street. Oh, what vine is this? Oh, unusual, these flowers. This is jabong. This is like it's a citrus. It's like a grapefruit, but you gotta open it. You gotta peel it apart and eat it. The inside, the teardrops inside individually. Well, not individually, but you don't eat the skin. Yeah, you don't eat the skin with jabong. You peel it like an orange, but you only eat the inside stuff. You don't eat all the white, you know, what do you call that around? What does that mean? Find your aloha, be like Siri.
Be like Sri. SRI.
Who's that?
Probably some organization.
Oh, okay.
Look it up.
This is Halawa Drive I'm crossing on now. Halawa Heights. Okay, Halawa Heights. I can even eat it in a sandwich.
They said tomatoes, you get more lycopene if you cook it than if you eat it raw. Isn't that interesting?
Oh, really?
Yeah. But, it's better to eat it in a tomato sauce like spaghetti than to eat it cut up raw in a salad.
Oh.
That's just a FYI.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, because of the lycopene.
Oh, I can't even. I have to watch how much tomatoes I eat. But yeah, that's good to know.
But it's very good for you. I forgot what vitamin it's good for, but it's something.
It's really good for heartburns.
No,
Greg got these seeds for little heirloom tomatoes.
Yeah.
They're almost black.
oh, interesting.
They're tiny. Like a large cherry tomato or something.
Yeah. No, because my dad.
Morning.
Morning.
Hi.
My dad was growing.
Hey, how's it? Morning.
Wow, that's a big dog. He looks heavy.
Yeah.
Really heavy.
Wow.
Solid.
I think he's about 80.
Woo!
Yeah.
Hey, look, you can see the Aloha Stadium right there. Hope everybody is having a great day. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch our long walk with Peter and Cheryl. Well, we're trying to cover all different kind of areas of the island. Sorry, we live in town, so starting with the town areas first. Except for you guys already saw the kind of point one, which was really cool. So once in a while we have a cool one like that. And if you didn't catch that kind of point one, you gotta check it out. That's not a regular walk. Yeah, well, we can go. I just telling you guys.
Just for the bridge.
Let's hurry. No, don't run.
Look, there's the bridge.
Is that the pedestrian bridge?
No, it's yeah, but it's closed.
Not ready for use.
Oh, it's got some
Look, the white hens are all here. There's the flag. Barbed fence. That's a huge flag. Holy moly. Looks like it's leaning. Looks like you sit on it too much and it's gonna fall backwards. Camp Smith.
It's not a bus stop, it's a pickup point for
Oh, this is not an entrance.
It's not a
This is not an entrance. So we're walking down this long stretch of road. Is this Halawa Heights still?
Yeah.
Oh, Halawa Heights still, okay. And we're going all the way down the road, all the way to over there. Yeah. Backwards walk. Backwards walk. See, backwards walk. Bougainvillea. Pa'ali'i place. Halawa Heights Road. Cheryl sees the trail. She's already interested in what it is and where it goes. We're heading back down the road. Wow. Look at the guava. Hey, look. They're drying the guava right here. Drying guava. Just kidding.
Yeah, that is. But yeah, you wouldn't be able to walk on that, Peter.
Oh my gosh, look, there's a manhole underneath
I know,
there.
and the cover is
Uncovered.
off. Oh, that's dangerous.
Look at how they pieced the wall together. So cool. Oh, there. Oh, they're building a wall up. Nice. Border water supply tank.
Wait, what school is that? There's a school up there.
Yeah, I can't read it.
It's like a chocolate caramel frosting on top.
Chocolate caramel.
Oh, look. Centipede.
Ew.
It's dead. Yeah, 9:25, 77 degrees. And we are on Hulumanu Street. That's the end of our walk. How many miles did we do?
6,
Over 6 miles.
23 miles. That's
What?
over 6 miles.
Holy moly, 23 miles Peter said. All right, well, no wonder I'm so tired.
6.4.
6.4. All right.
We have different gates.
Okay, that's it everybody. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get a notification every time we post a new video. You can join us on Twitch also. We're on there live streaming. And if you want to help us out a little bit more, you can join the PhotoLukeHawaii team on Patreon, or you can donate to us using this PayPal link. Thanks everybody for watching and sticking with us throughout this long walk. Have a great day everybody. Aloha.